Advanced Oil Solutions – Engineering Innovations for Advanced Oil Extraction. Oil is a limited resource, and it takes hundreds of millions of years to form. At the same time, after 120 years of constant exploitation, traditional petroleum resources all over the world are depleting, and oil extraction is becoming more complex and expensive. We are trying to reach deeper reserves, often situated in further-to-reach places. The usual extraction cycle goes from peak oil, when the extraction rates are at their maximum, to terminal decline, when the oil itself often gets heavier and sandier. Presently, more than half the world's oil reserves consist of heavy, extra heavy, and sandy oil, with plenty of water, gas, and mineral fragments in the extracted volumes. Driven by this reality, oil companies should naturally try to optimize the cost of oil extraction in every possible way. Our company focuses on developing the extraction process and implements technologies that substantially reduce energy, materials, and maintenance costs. We specialize in advanced solutions, mainly when the high-volume extraction becomes impossible and gets below 30 cubic meters in a 24-hour period. Conventional technology, like sucker rod pumps, present certain disadvantages. They require straight drilling, and their extremely heavy steel rods need substantial power consumption to operate and take a lot of time to maintain and repair. Also, the conventional ball valves are less effective because of their small contact surface. Aside from their high energy consumption, the intense friction causes constant wearing of the tubing, the rods, and the centralizers. Another weak point is the operation of deviated wells, which is highly problematic with conventional technology. Due to these facts, the cost of oil extraction is often too high, and for that reason, in Russia alone, there are more than 80,000 abandoned oil wells. The other current commonly used technology is the conventional progressive cavity pump with surface drive. It experiences the very same weaknesses. With one of our technologies, we also use a progressive cavity pump, but we avoid the friction and the wearing with cable and submersible electric propulsion instead of steel rods. It operates in deviated wells with ease. We have fundamentally created a new kind of valve. It can be used with all types of pumps: centrifugal, progressive cavity, and sucker rod. This plunger valve ensures substantially better flow sealing compared to the traditional ball valves due to the larger contact surface. In a conventional ball valve, the flow sealing happens on the very thin contact line between the ball and its seat, which makes the valve unreliable. Often inflow fragments get stuck in the smaller contact area, damaging the surface of the elements, causing leakages. Our company has developed another advanced solution to optimize the continual layer pressure during the oil recovery process. Right now, 3 types of pumps are being used: piston, centrifugal, and progressive cavity. We offer innovative technology, diaphragm system modules to maintain layer pressure. Installed in a secure metal container right next to the wellbore, they eliminate the expensive system of high-pressure pipes. Our system consists of several modules working in parallel, and in case of malfunction in one module, the repair can be carried out without affecting the system's operation. It also has high corrosion resistance due to the lack of frictional parts. The additional advantages include up to 80% energy efficiency and the ability to adjust the system flow by the inclusion of 1 to 6 modules. We are currently developing and testing a fundamentally new electric submersible diaphragm pump with a friction-free mechanism, increasing energy efficiency by over 80% and reaching depths of up to 3,000 meters. It extracts oil containing high volumes of water, gas, and mineral fragments. In conclusion, the 9 main advantages of our technologies are as follows. First, we replace the bulky moving parts like the steel rods and centralizers with a cable. Second, because there are no steel rods or centralizers, We avoid entirely the friction and wearing. The cable endures longer and there is no rust or metal fatigue. The maintenance cycles are shorter, which adds additional production time, and energy efficiency is up to 10 times higher. Third, using our technology reduces power consumption by between 2 and 3 times, due to lesser friction and the absence of steel rods. Fourth, with our solution, the operation of deviated wells is easy. Fifth, the maximum depths that can be reached increased by about 1,000 meters, up to almost 2,500 meters. Sixth, with our solution there is no massive surface infrastructure. Seventh, when high volume extraction becomes impossible, below 30 cubic meters, in a 24-hour period, our technology requires the least capital investment for the transition to lower volume lift. We replace the centrifugal pump with our electric submersible progressing cavity pump with ease. Eighth, our plunger valve prevents the reverse flow leakage of oil through the centrifugal pump more efficiently in case of emergency stoppages. And ninth, the innovative plunger valve works with all conventional pumps for oil extraction and increases the extracted oil volume by between 2 and 6%. Advanced Oil Solutions thanks you for your attention.